Hello players, today we are going to review Vectrex's Velocity football shoes. Reasons to buy. Most of the users admired the stylish looks and design of Velocity football boots. According to one reviewer, Vectrex Velocity has a good fit and are lightweight. Velocity is often compared to Vectrex Mercury. However, Velocity is lighter than Mercury. Many users recommend to use them on hard grounds with or without grass. The sole is made up of TPU and consists of 14 studs. The inner part of the football shoe has 4 hexagonal studs, the outer has 4 arrow-shaped studs, whereas the heel has 2 hexagonal and 2 arrow-shaped studs. The remaining 2 rectangular studs are in the middle. The upper is made up of PU, which makes it waterproof and can be cleaned off just with a wet cloth. Velocity is available in 3 color combinations: red white, black silver and blue silver. An expert reviewer reported that Vectrex Velocity has a good outsole and manages to provide good cushioning to the feet. These football shoes are good for wingers. Reasons not to buy Vectrex Velocity. One player twisted his knee when playing with Vectrex Velocity. Many reviewers complained that Velocity would tear apart within a week or 2-3 sessions. One buyer criticized the studs. He found the studs imperfect and not leveled. This football boot lasted for just 5 months, even for an occasional footballer who would play twice or thrice every week. One footballer was unhappy since the upper and the sole separated within a week of him buying the football boots. According to an expert reviewer, Velocity lacks stability and is not comfortable. One buyer was not satisfied with Vectrex Velocity's comfort. According to his review, in the same price range, which is less than 1000 rupees, Nivea provides a better, durable and comfortable football shoe in Nivea Oslar 2.0. One professional footballer had his football boots tear apart after just 3 practice sessions. The stitching on the sides and on the upper were very weak. He went on to say that Velocity is the worst Vectrex football shoe he ever bought. Conclusion. Although Velocity is made up of durable materials like TPU sole and PU upper, the gluing, stitching and pasting is where the shoe lacks and tears apart. It is lightweight and comfortable, but not worth the money considering how short lasting this football boot is. Velocity is a good football shoe for occasional footballers who play once every 1 or 2 weeks. Footballers who are only about the looks and how stylish the football shoe is can buy Velocity. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Mention them in the comments below. If this review was helpful, please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Have a Good Game channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope you players have a good game.